Hi everyone, my name is Jokoya Lyons, and I'm here to do the introduction for our children and families at risk. So one of the main reasons why I decided to take this elective was just because I actually used to work as a intake caseworker for Chester County Children, Youth, and Families. I didn't work there long, about 9 months. But during my time there, I was definitely exposed to a lot. It was definitely a shock for me just trying to like learn and navigate like really what child abuse and child neglect and just dealing with like at-risk families as a whole. I never really worked with at-risk families like from that perspective. So for me, it was just a real eye opener. And now my younger sister actually works there, and she works in the in-home unit. So, and she's also actually working on her master's in social work with another university. And she told me about the elective that she took that had to do with children and families at risk. So I was kind of just a mixture between like my experiences from working at the county and then from talking with my sister and what she learned about kind of like inspired me and like kind of like sparked my interest to kind of want to take a course like this. So what I hope to learn from this class is definitely like how to help children and families at risk and how to just like identify an at-risk family. In my opinion and in my experiences, I think I've done a pretty good job, which is evaluating and assessing how to like identify those things. But for me, I think there's just always an opportunity to learn and grow and kind of just like get a better understanding. Um, Especially because like I do hope to work as a family therapist with youth who are at risk. So I kind of just this class kind of will help better prepare me to meeting that goal. And then one thing that I want my classmates to know about how I feel about child abuse, that's kind of difficult. For me, like child abuse and neglect, like I know like one thing that I learned from the county is that like it's across all boards. I think in the beginning, when I worked as a intake caseworker, like coming in like, like I just assumed there was this cookie cutter family stereotype, if you would say, that kind of fell under that umbrella. But what I quickly learned was that, no matter like your race, your ethnicity, ages, socioeconomic status, there is no like cookie cutter family who could be at risk. Every family has the potential of being at risk. Every family has the potential of being in a crisis moment. Um, you know, child abuse and child neglect is like all around us, unfortunately. So, even when you least expect the neighbors that you've known for 20 years, those could be like that family. You expect that they would never do anything to their children, but then like you see on the news that like they're being arrested um, for having their children locked up. So um, just kind of just like me, just like one thing that I just like want to share with you guys that like I did kind of have like this perspective at first, but like I've learned that like anybody could be at risk. I'm looking forward to these next 7 weeks. Definitely looking forward to learning a lot, getting to learn from my classmates as well. And thanks for watching.